We're over at SIS Live at IBC 2009, and we're in one there live outside Broadcast Trucks, and we're going to talk to Graham Lee about the TriCaster product and where it sits within SIS's offering. Hi Graham, how are you doing?
Hello, welcome. Well, this is the TriCaster in place in a new vehicle that SIS have produced for web streaming. Basically, it's called the SIScaster truck, and I say the heart of it is the TriCaster, which is a very, very flexible, powerful, PC-based production control area. Really, it's a vision mixer, an audio mixer. It has DVE moves in it. It can obviously have two basic digital recorders in it as well, so you can record and play back from effectively tape, but it's obviously off hard drives. And it's very flexible. It has this one is configured for 3 cameras in. It can be configured for 6. The idea is basically to be able to produce a program for the web. So immediately you've got to have the sources need to be able to have tallies on them. So it generates tallies for the radio cameras which we have. It has 3 radio cameras working into it, so it's effectively a wireless system working into it. And that gives us the ability basically to be very flexible. The idea of this truck is it has a satellite outgoing link on the top. So what you can do is you can basically park the vehicle where you can see the satellite, and then where you're actually doing your OB from can be quite a way away, because we can fibre all the signals to and from a remote place. Because obviously the important thing is with the satellite dish, you're going to be able to see the satellite. So that's where this is anchored, and so this parks up to see the satellite, and then you can remote, say, all the pictures back from the floor area. It's as well as the TriCaster doing the actual production control. We've also got the new 3-play, which is another new tech product, and it's very clever. It's again totally non-linear. It's hard disk recording system. It can have basically 3 live feeds into it, which it can record continuously, and it can then turn round those 3 live feeds as well at the same time. So you're always recording, and then you can queue three versions of material up. And they then become sources onto your TriCaster. So you've got a complete VT slow-mo operation. It does very good slow-motion replays. It has various preset speeds you can do, or again, it's very functional. It has a jog shuttle knob to control speed.
So a specific interface for the...
It is, yeah.
It's
exactly what happens. Yeah, you can basically call up. It's 3 VT machines in one box.
Fantastic.
But they're all, the fact that it's always in record is great. So you can time shift stuff, which is very useful for this sort of truck. If you're going on air at a certain time, but what you're covering has started, you can start going early and then time shift it, and then play it out as needed as your segment time for your satellite. So it's very, very, very flexible. It's designed also to do some red button work, the high sort of entry-level broadcast work.
Wow!
Because the quality of it is good enough.
So it's high enough for that.
For red button work. So it's got a wide spectrum of applications, really. So it's as I say, it's been built for IBC 2009, and this is its first really showing.
Having been in some OB vans, very comfortable, very quiet.
Yeah, no,
what a nice environment to work in.
It is. The people. Well, again, it's nice to have some space. The seats in the front rotate round as that one is. So you as well as having your production staff in this area doing the actual program, editorial wise, if you've got any need for that, there's seating for them in the back. They can see what's going on. It's a working title. We still have got to improve bits of it. And we've picked up on comments from possible clients and stuff. But no, and they're for hire, a lease, or to be sold.
And then once any information on that, they can go over to your site.
Absolutely, at SIS Live. That's great.
Wonderful. Thanks very much, Graham.
You're most welcome. Thank you. Bye bye.